Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have spoilers for the July Boxycharm box and possibly a future spoiler. But before we get into that, remember, Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription where you get 4 to 5 full-size items, possibly deluxe size items. And if you want more information on Boxycharm, check out the link in the description below. So now let's get started with the spoilers. The first two items, I believe, is going to be a variation item, and that's from Glow Recipe. First, you have the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and that provides you glowing, radiance, and softening, and it retails for $45. Now, all this information I'm going to be sharing with you, I found on Instagram at Boxycharm, Boxycharm Sneak Peeks, and you can find it on Joe's Instagram. Now, the next item, once again, is from Glow Recipe, but this is the Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask, and it claims to be moisturizing and firming. And once again, it does retail for $45. Boxycharm has been providing a lot of skincare, so I'm excited for either one. Now, the next item is exclusively for charmers. It's the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. And once again, I don't know the value of it because you could only be a charmer to get it. Next brand, I've already mentioned in a past video that we would be receiving a product from elemis, and this can be a possible spoiler. This is the Superfoods Vital Veggie Mask, and this can be for a possible upcoming Boxylux box. I seen this on Instagram, and it also says here, working on a new project, and you can see right behind the Boxylux box, there is the elemis product. But then again, in the description, it did say July, so who knows? Okay, guys. I will keep you updated as always, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. As always, I love you. Catch you in the next video.